Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about two effective or easy way to learn communication skill, and that is going to help you to improve your fluency and build your confidence. To improve any skills, any experience, you have to do practice. If you are doing practicing regularly, it's going to acquire your knowledge, skills. If you want to learn how to do yoga, exercise, and how to play football and play a guitar, you have to do practice regularly, and that's going to help you to enhance your skills and build your confidence. So same logic, it's also applied to your English learning journey. If you want to become fluent speaker, if you want to speak as a native speaker, you have to do practice regularly. No matter how many minutes you are doing, but you have to be consistent, and that's going to help you to overcome your fear, like what kinds of fear you are facing while learning this language. So first step to learn this language, it is active listening. Surround yourself with the English environment. Immerse yourself into English. It can be podcast, conversation video, motivationals, and whatever that you like to watch, that is your interest. Don't watch any video, any content which you are not interesting to watching them. You are not enjoying them to watching that kinds of a content. So if you are interested to watching some content, it can be web series or movie, then go for that. If you are watching a content only English related, that's not going to help you. Maybe you can get something, some idea, but even then you are not going to focus on that video because you are not enjoying, because you are not engaging in this video. So how you can expect you are going to learn so many things from that video? If you will watching some content but simultaneously you are enjoying this content, then it will help you to focus and concentrate, and you would be in present. You are not going to think about your past and future and about different things, and it will help you to understand meaning. It will help you to understand how people they are sharing their own idea, making sentence structures and grammar. So many things you are going to come across if you would be active listener then. Otherwise it is impossible to even get a few word and vocabulary from listening. So if you want to get something else, then you will have to focus on this kinds of video and make your journey as interesting, as engaging as you can. Don't listen any content just sake of listening. Listen to understand, listen to focus. And for me, when I have started to listening, I used to listen a lot of conversation video, sometimes solo and motivational video, and I really like to watch I can say conversation video and motivational too, because when you watch some motivational video, it will help you to keep yourself motivated. But the conversation video, it is a kind of we do some activities regularly. So these kinds of information you will get from these kinds of content or these kinds of video. But why I used to watch motivational video? So reason is I really wanted to keep myself motivated, because you know already, we have to go through lots of difficulty, lots of problem each and every day, and sometimes we feel we should not do continue, we should stop our practicing, we should stop to doing some activities which is related our English, and we don't focus more. So that's the reason I used to go on these kinds of content, and I used to keep myself motivated. That's how I used to do a listening practicing, and listening practicing, it is so very effective and so very amazing way to enhance our vocabulary, enhance our sentence structure and grammar. So many things we will learn from just listening. So second step, it is practice speaking, which is most important and I can say most crucial practicing. If you want to gain fluency, if you want to gain confidence, then you have to do practice speaking each and every day. It's no matter what kinds of practice speaking you are doing. Like you can do like a practice speaking, like a mirror talking, record yourself, and even you can talk with a person through some application. There are multiple application which is valuable, which is giving talk time, even like a free talk times, like some application which is free and where you can talk with a co-learner for 30 minutes and unlimited call too. So I also use some application. It is a CV or peer up. So these kinds of application which is a free application, and I love to using these kinds of application each and every day. And that's how I have doing a practice speaking. So if you want to overcome your fear of nervous and hesitates, and if you have fear of making a mistake, then you have to do practice speaking with a person. You have to do practice with yourself, and that's going to help you to reduce your fear, reduce your nervousness. So if I'll tell you my first conversation, to be honest, I was so very bad to expressing my own idea, expressing my own knowledge which I had. However, I was not that much of comfortable. I was not that much of able to express my idea that moment. But even then, I did not give up. It took time. I know everything. It's take time. Just we have to be consistent, and that's how I used to practice each and every day. I can say for 20 to 30 minutes, I used to talk with a co-learner. I used to talk by myself, in front of mirror, recording our own voice. So these kinds of practicing I used to do regularly. And listening, I can say it was my part of daily routine. I listen a lot each and every day. Still I am watching so many content for 1 hour, 2 hour, and whenever I get a chance to go on social media, I love to watch them. I love to watch English content, and that's how I am improving, and that's how you are also going to improve this language. Just be consistent and watch some English content and speak with a person, speak with yourself, and you are going to gain your confidence and fluency just within 3, 4, 5 months. But don't expect quick result, because it is a learning journey. It will take time. It will take a few months, maybe few years for some people. I know when I started to learn this language, I also used to think how long it is going to take for me. But now I can tell you, it took more than years to gain that much of fluence. But even then, I'm not stopping myself. I'm learning each and every day, and you should also learn every day something new related in English content, and that's going to build your confidence. So that's all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in next video. Thank you.